Si Sir Noel Mambalos, nasaan si Sir Noel? Si Sir Randy Manuka, si Coach Rudy Dimoyogan, yan, sa likod. Si Commissioner Nars Dimoyogan, and of course, meron po tayong isang hindi dapat kalimutan, si Sir Vince Kinang, nasa Saudi siya for now. Kinang. Nasa Iraq siya. He is one of our board of directors sa Desert Warriors team. And of course, ang sound system natin from Interactive Voice Mobile. So, thank you very much po. And sa Animal Streamers, Coach Mari, thank you sa ating streamers. And our guest for today, our very own pastor sa ECAP. Siya ang commissioner ng ECAP and ELEC head pastor ng ABVCIM, si Pastor Jerry Valencia. Supposedly, I think si Sir Pat Carino, pero wala siya. Absent yata. Anyway, we would like to welcome everyone po sa sincerely from our hearts, we want to say thank you for coming and thank you for making this event possible for us. Marami po tayong goals dito sa liga na ito. We have our own goals, but every team and every one of us, ang goal natin is manalo. Right? Amen? So, lahat tayo will compete with honesty, we will compete with professionalism, walang masasaktan. Of course, basketball is a full contact na sport, but we will play with a clean sportsmanship with us, and like we always hear from other guest speakers, lagi natin narinig sa mga openings, sinasabi nila na talents wins games, but teamwork, sabi nga nila, walang I sa team, right? Teamwork and nagdala natin, intelligence wins championship. So, sino kaya manalo sa NBA ngayon? Cubs ba? Or Golden State? Okay, bayan tayo. Okay, we are all born winners, but for us to win, we must plan, we must prepare, and must believe in ourselves that we can do it. We have our own goals. Ang isang goal ng Desert Warriors na tutulong sa ibang tao, but primarily ang goal ng liga nito is of course to please the Lord and to give glory sa Kanya. Amen? So, at this time, in behalf of Desert Warriors organization, I would like to say welcome po sa ating lahat, and feel free to stay until matapos po ang natin. This time po, I would like to acknowledge our guest, Pastor Jerry Valencia, and Pastor of ABVCIM and EQAC Commissioner.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Wala kang nakikinig. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat.
Magandang umaga din.
Palakpakan po natin ang Panginoon para po sa isang gawain ng Panginoon. First, I would like to introduce myself. Ako po si Pastor Jerry Valencia, and I am one of the isa rin pong naumuna sa ganitong klase ng gawain, and I would like to congratulate all the leadership of Desert Warrior League, and it will be your season 2, headed by Brother Nance Mayuga, si Brother Bon. Nalagpaw po natin yung ating magiging na leaders na namunan po dito sa gawain ito. So I would like to welcome everybody on the Desert Warrior Leagues. And as we say, nakatulad po na ginagawa po namin sa Elect Sports League, whereas nababalitan naman po siya, this is belonging of all churches dito po sa Qatar. I would like to congratulate everybody welcome po kayo sa gawain ito, sa liga nito, and enjoy the game, and take care of yourself, at isa sa mga advice ko pong ibinibigay sa bawat isa, don't take it seriously, enjoy the game, to unwind sa ating pong mga trabaho. At the same time, ingatan po natin yung ating mga sarili because this is not our career. Ito po yung ating profession natin because one of the things na makita po natin na paglayo po yung nabilaya na whatever God forbid, ito po ay magiging sanhin ng ating trabaho. So just enjoy the game, and for this game, would like to emphasize to you that we continue to give glory to the Lord even sa ating pong paglalaro. No? Sabi nga po, whatever you do it for the glory of God. Kaya po, I would like to welcome everybody and thank you sa pagkakataon ito na binigay niyo po kami ng may share sa inyo ang liga nito. And I believe that it will be longer and longer. Enjoy your fellowship, your camaraderie, and unity and peace sa bawat isa. Ito ay magkakaroon ng matagumpay sapagkat sabi nga po ng salita ng Diyos, wala po tayong magagawa kung wala po ang Panginoon. So we believe that everything comes from the Lord, our strength, our resources, at sa lugar nito na binigay po sa atin, maraming salamat din sa lugar nito. Kung saan, welcome po rin yung mga missionary and mga leaders regarding po sa gawain ito. So maraming po salamat and we welcome you. Enjoy the game until it is finished. Maraming po salamat. Magandang umaga.
Thank you very much, Mr. Jerry, for the inspiring message. Sunod po, gagawin natin, i-highlight ng opening yung mga news natin. So I would like to, the news, ready. And as I call your names, we ask that you come in front. Yung pinakamalakas na palakpak sa mga we request judges